You believe you can achieve. Maraming bagay ang napalagpas ko dahil sa self-doubt. Am I worthy? Am I capable? Am I good enough? Sa isip ko, mas marami namang mas magaling sa akin. Baka sa kanila lang. Baka kung ano-ano pang masabi pag ginawa ko to. But I realized, if you want more, you have to believe that you can before you can achieve it. Believe and achieve. Kahit madalas hindi madali ang dadaanan mo. Dahil alam mo it will be worth it in the end. Don't ever doubt yourself. Doubt makes you weak. Believing in yourself makes you strong. Believe and achieve. Because you have what it takes. Don't put a limit to what you can do. You can go as far as your mind lets you. What you believe, you can achieve. You know what's even better? It's never just about the material things. Because as you journey on this path, you get to unleash your potential. You bring transformation, happiness, and abundance sa buhay ng maraming tao. Nagsimula ka man na puno ng self-doubt, pero eventually, kaya mo rin maging successful. Believe and achieve. Now I can boldly say, I am worthy. I am capable. I am a champion. All by His grace. I am Princess Patsy, Agent of Hope, and I am worldwide.